Hello and welcome back to our channel, still on the destruction of Innoson Motors showroom by Soludo's government. Finally, Innoson himself has spoken through a recorded phone call, telling the world how he feels about what happened and what actually happened. We are going to play the phone conversation he had with a popular Igbo voice, UDOEJIEKE, Ndi AMUSU. But before we play the audio, I would like to react collectively to some comments on my channel yesterday. Some people were saying Inoson was giving prior notice. Some said it was last December, this and that. They said he ignored it. Some said he wants to show he is above the law. Some said my channel did not investigate before reporting. Some of you guys think we are playing here. We are not playing. No, we are not playing. Those who have followed IGBO AREA TV for a while knows we don't report anyhow. We are not here to report anyhow. I'm surprised that despite my detailed explanation yesterday, some were still commenting whatever they like on the comment section. Please note, for our channel here, it's beyond content creation. We actually defended Igbo people, and we don't defend Igbo people in evil deeds. Please watch and hear from Inoson himself and disregard whatever you claim some authorities in Nnewi or elsewhere told you. Listen to Inoson on this matter.
Good morning, sir, doctor, engineer, Ndi Bonine, Innoson Motors, Ogaderegemma. Big Admonam, Igadike, General Guagu, Rapuna, Mopanare Buawo. Yes, Mopanare Buawo, Tumokonya, Wadoko, Warsaw. Because many people now come all over the world, because your issue. Okay, for Demolition company. So, Atomuka Biko, Oblu 1 minute to 3 minutes. Can brief Makana Okwa Gagabaira? Can the man Nukeno Nugi? Exactly, if a melonu. The state government to Webia, Demolition, your company, Kinekenya Logi, Nelundibo, Candibo, when I want Biko, Guinea Melanaya company to Demolition, Biko.
Well, I'm a mufti now. I'm a nana real. You look at Nalo and that don't sell over. I don't against you. My if I the way she be the problem. I don't know why not why I come to the bar. Any other thing I don't joke or doing because I don't against if I support and sell over. Manana, I put them to the Caseba. Makamoto de bar. I'm not allowed to call it. What's the problem?
The Governor Soludo Abalagi as CEO, Innoson Motors. That means I want to go to notice.
When you buy push a motor, no, we got okay, push a motor now.
Then all of a sudden, for that was here, Unu, video demolition, maybe where your vehicles.
No, yeah, demolition an issue. If you an issue, how many man I promote the bar?
That is the area Muanabia. So what if I notification? Nothing like notification.
Well, you don't buy any I want to hang in 10 minutes or 20, 30 minutes in the book motor.
Okay. Therefore, motor neck damage. Motor in wake. Okay.
Hold on. In the man office now, Lord, and how we are all the Kaji.
Imagine. Okay, how many of your vehicles we fed damage? You know? In where you can't
about 20 something vehicles damaged. An actual new one.
Oh my God. And since then, I'm getting a phone, singing all the sorry. Okay, I'm a travel, I'm an Anambra State in there, maybe he destroy the company.
Okay,
that means is it a number?
Age number, I try to make grand interview. I try to make about face to face. I need discuss.
Mana, I got only on the phone. When I need a piano, or money in a piano, immediate. Yeah. Information on that. I book appointment. They say book here. Good. Man, open is your number. I'm going to direct number. Jimmy, agent direct number.
But don't worry. Say my
man, I give him but as a logage. Since then, how many days now? You destroy your company.
1 week.
Then that 1 week now, since then, on Uberi or Mobero, even in a Nagabaira, or you on a phone, make him buy Sigibia or money.
I don't know. I don't know. I ask him, I don't know.
All right. If I Gagabaira now, because nothing materially no Nugi and virtually modified because now a lot of things. And when they are saying any 10 days, when they are saying Agualagua, when they are saying, when so can I see where Inoson. Inoson.
One man. And about Adupun and Navy.
Good.
Because I'm I don't listen to him.
That is what I'm telling them. I'm a troublemaker, and you are a very peaceful man. You are a very simple man. You are very humble. No one this man only a notification. He gave a moto.
I'm a manufacturer. I'm manufacturing one time I call no. Interview. Even I online on who are the first person call make one thing for government.
Thank you.
Interview my friend,
mana ikuloku aswa fibo ifo kiswe ko no we be selling here mana indirectly by now obviously ogi no bona all the genuine in mind because na any na bu mado any na bu Anambra we call expect any can name me fe ko suwedi no solo ono bu na no
say anything he can't say anything until my love fan oh if what happened like I'm doing no
because now what I'm trying to say now on what if for some demolition company and they supposedly he's supposed to notify you all the Igbo, you know Igbo, or suppose you make him respect is reciprocal. I don't make politics more compromise. If we find you like I know Igbo today. And when money the Kagina Igbo, money the Kagan when I need what's natural Japan, natural Dubai. Now you are the first Dubai I confirm. Why no man quizzle respect? Moto. I'm a nigga bupie. If I'm we call a spade we call spade a spade. They find a tough Igbo. So it's a pity. I'm very sorry for what happens to you, the honorable doctor. Oh,
thank you very much.
The CK, Ogadima. What one again? I Kuginazu.
Thank you.
More than an Igbo Kuginazu or Mother Kuginazu. Do not be afraid. I need that your investment. I need Lenanibo. We need it. More than as you expect.
Thank you very much.
That was the recorded phone conversation between Inoson and UDOEJIEKE AMUSU. Based on the audio, Inoson revealed he is in a very good relationship with Governor Soludo and supports the work Soludo, the governor, is doing. After all, nobody's against development. Inoson said he is aware of the road construction going on and he supports it. But he said he is surprised of such demolition without notice, or probably with short notice. He said if the company was informed, they would have moved away the vehicles. He said even if it was 30 minutes notice that was given to them, they would have moved away the vehicles. Just 30 minutes. That it wouldn't take them anything to move away the vehicles. Please note that carefully. He said, but those who came for that operation refused to listen to their pleas to move away the vehicles. And about 20 plus vehicles were damaged. All were brand new vehicles. He said even his staffs, they managed to leave the buildings. They were all trapped after the demolition. Many of them left through ladders to show you that the destruction obstructed them from leaving the building. So, according to Inoson, he's not been able to reach Governor Soludo. We had Governor Soludo is in UK. He is there to see Anambra people. So perhaps after Inoson speaks with Governor Soludo, we will pass whatever is the information to you again. Listen again. We don't pass fake information. We pass authentic information. Anytime you want to argue about videos here, watch the whole length of the video to understand the video. Don't just watch a minute and you will come back. These guys are reporting fake. I saw all your comments yesterday, but I will read the reaction of one of our viewers yesterday. Our viewers are wise, but these guys comment, oh, very intelligent. And that's like what I told you about the man, an elder who reacted to that. You know, this is not how the government was supposed to act. The government was supposed to act with understanding. Having known who Inoson is in the state, Inoson is one of the biggest employer of labor in Anambra State. Now, let's read this comment from one of our viewers, very intelligent comment, and I commend him. He wrote, I keep saying this. The average educated Igbo man, be he a professor like Soludo or another, is very raw, brutish, and highly unrefined. This can happen in a civilized world when jobs are at stake. Yes, if demolition must occur, listen carefully, if demolition must occur, Anambra government has the capacity to tow out those brand new vehicles and have Inoson pay for the cost of doing so, the cost of towing them out, the cost of keeping them in a safer place. Inoson will have to foot the bill later. That is what a good government would have done. And that is what an elder suggested when he saw that. Irrespective of whatever, whether you have told him, you have given him time to, you ask them to do this, that is what you would have done. Than destruction. And Inoson himself said, if they were even given just 30 minutes, they will remove the whole vehicle, even if the notice was just 30 minutes. The government staff who carried out this demolition acted like motopark thugs. No form of decency at all. You know, nowadays, government employs everyone, including the Mpurummiri people. Crooks, government employs everyone because people need job. The competent people to do the job are not always around. Maybe they are doing another thing. So government makes sure, oh, come and get job, come and get job. Some without training. But we are still waiting to see Soludo's reaction on the whole thing. In a few days, we will know the truth. And I believe you will thank me for all the information regards this that I've shared here. Just a few days ago, we complained of the recklessness and unprofessional display of UDOEJIEKE security office, still in Nnewi. And here is another, in a different department. So, understand the major problem here. Those guys acted without any human feelings. They displayed wickedness. In fact, I wanted to say this wickedness rivals that of the devil. Innocent staff were pleading, give us few minutes so that we'll remove these vehicles. They refused. And you know the certain Colonel Osigwe, who is like a manager there, said they just came for that particular building. There were several buildings that were marked, but they came for that particular building. Imagine if you have given them 30 minutes, this would not have been the story. You will still, Inoson is not against the demolition. He is not against it. It's only a part of the building that was demolished. But this was the part housing several vehicles. And the moment the demolition was on, the roof, the heavy roof of that particular section, as if they clamped down on the vehicles. What stops you from giving innocent staffs 30 minutes? We see what we call sheer wickedness, envy of a black man. Meanwhile, in rounding up, we are looking forward to see an apology and a compensation to Innoson Motors for this recklessness and wickedness from Soludo's government. Until then, viewers, please add your comment on the comment section. Tell us your thoughts. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video after watching. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.